How to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on sound option on bottom, right click on it and then click on open sound settings. You'll find your microphone option. Make sure the microphone you're using is chosen in your input device. After it's done and it's still not working, simply open settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on privacy. In privacy on left side, scroll down to microphone and make sure the app you're using has access to microphone. If not, simply turn on and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.